Okay, so this is Gemini 3.5 Flash, Google's newest AI model, and the best part, you can use it for free. I gave it one prompt and it built a complete working sales CRM dashboard in about a minute. No coding from me. Let me show you exactly how it works and what it built. First, the setup, because this part is free. I downloaded Antigravity from antigravity.google, signed in with my Google account, and picked Gemini 3.5 Flash as the model. That's it. There's a daily limit on the free tier, but for building something like this, it's more than enough. Now, here's the only thing I type. I asked it to build a complete sales CRM dashboard in a single file with a sidebar, a deals pipeline, a context table with search, summary cards, and a revenue chart. Clean and professional, everything functional. That's the whole prompt. No coding, no setup. Now watch what it does. First, it makes a short plan and asks me to approve it. I click proceed and then it just builds. About 1 minute later, it's done. It wrote almost 3,000 lines of code in a single file. And here's the part I really liked. It even opened a browser on its own to test its own work before handing it back to me. Okay, now let me open the result. And this is where it gets good. This is a real working CRM. On the dashboard, you've got live summary cards, total revenue, deals won, pipeline value. There's a monthly revenue chart and a win rate gauge showing 83%. None of this is a picture. It's all actually working. Go to the deals pipeline and you get a full board. Lead, contacted, proposal, negotiation. And you can actually drag a deal card from one stage to another. The context page has a real table with search and a status filter that work in real time. Type a name and it filters instantly. It even built working forms. Click New Contact and you get a proper form with validation. Click New Deal and it gives you a drop-down that already knows your existing contacts. There's the settings page too, where you can reset or clear your data. And everything you change is saved automatically in your browser, so it's still there when you come back. And it has a theme switcher. One click flips the whole thing to dark mode. Again, all from one prompt in about a minute for free. So that's Gemini 3.5 Flash inside Antigravity, free. If this was helpful, subscribe. I test these free tools the moment they drop. And if you want me to build something specific with it next, drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.